Hey everyone, welcome back to the AFS channel. If you've been following us for a while, you know the Cybertruck has become a regular in our shop. We've wrapped these trucks in all kinds of finishes, but today we're bringing you something new. A Satin Stunning Orange wrap that's really going to make this one pop. This color isn't something you see every day, especially on a Cybertruck. We're all about helping owners make their vehicles stand out, and this bold satin orange is a perfect example of how a wrap can totally transform the look and personality of your ride. We're keeping this video simple, just pure B-roll of the transformation process from start to finish. Sit back, relax, and enjoy these visuals as we take this Cybertruck from stainless to a seriously eye-catching satin orange. If you like what you're seeing and want to stay tuned for more unique projects, color changes, and some of the best vehicle protection work around, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more coming your way.